We are continuing the same lesson, number system. It's one important topic we are discussing today, that is rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 2. Then what is meant by rationalize? Then what is the denominator here? Root 2. 1 by root 2. Root 2 is the denominator. Then root 2 you already knows that it is an irrational number. Irrational number means root p. That means p is a prime number. Like that all numbers. Here 2 means a prime number. Then root 2 means it is an irrational number. You want to remove that root 2 number and you want to make that root 2 as a rational number. That is known as the rationalize the denominator. The denominators root 2 numbers you want to remove and that you want to make a rational number. That is known as the rationalize the denominator. Any idea? You already knows that root x into root x, it will become x. So if you are multiplying this root 2, again a root 2 number, that root 2 will remove and it will make 2. Then that will be rationalized. Therefore what we are doing, we are multiplying 1 by root 2 is already given. If you are doing any work in the denominator, the same you want to do on the numerator also. Therefore, for removing this root 2, I am multiplying the denominator by root 2. Therefore, the same you want to do on the numerator also. Therefore, 1 into root 2 means root 2. Root 2 into root 2 means that will become 2. Therefore, we have rationalized the denominator. You got root 2 by 2. Therefore, the denominator become a rational number. Therefore, we already rationalized the denominator. Then, second question. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator denominator 1 by 2 plus root 3. Then previous case only one number was there, that's why no difficulty. Here 2 plus root 3 is in the denominator. Therefore we want to remove this root 3 from this denominator, then it will become the rationalized form. Here what is the sign here? 2 plus root 3. First I am writing the question once again. 1 by 2 plus root 3. Then we are multiplying. Here 2 plus root 3 is given. Therefore we are multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2 minus root 3. What is the sign given in the denominator? It's opposite sign you want to take. If here 2 plus root 3 is given, therefore we are taking 2 minus root 3. If here 1 by 2 minus root 3 is given, you want to take as 2 plus root 3. Then here what do you want to multiply? 2 minus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Then 1 into 2 minus root 3 means that 2 minus root 3 itself. Here this will be in the form of a plus b. This will be in the form of a minus b. Then what is a plus b into a minus b? This will be a minus b form. Therefore our answer will be a square minus b square. In the place of a, what is the number here? 2. Therefore this will be 2 square minus b means root 3. Root 3 whole square. Therefore our number will be 2 minus root 3 by 2 square means 4. What is root 3 whole square? Root 3 whole square means root 3 into root 3. That will become 3 itself. Therefore 4 minus 3. Then 4 minus 3 means it will become 1. If the denominator is 1, no need of writing that. Therefore our answer will be 2 minus root 3 by 1, or that's equal to 2 minus root 3. Therefore we already rationalized the denominator because 2 plus root 3 was the root 3 and root 3 is already removed. Therefore our answer is 2 minus root 3 by 1. That is already rationalized. Clear? I will show one more question. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator the denominator of 5 by root 3 minus root 5. Root 3 minus root 5. Here, what is the denominator here? Root 3 minus root 5. Then which number you want to use to multiply? Root 3 plus root 5. Here minus sign is there in the denominator. Therefore, we want to use root 3 plus root 5. Both numerator and denominator we want to multiply. 5 by root 3 minus root 5 into root 3 plus root 5 by root 3 plus root 5. Then first 5 into numerator we are multiplying 5 into root 3 plus root 5 by the second a minus b into a plus b form, that is equal to a square minus b square. Here a square means root 3 whole square minus root 5 whole square, that is equal to 5 into root 3 plus root 5 divided by this 3 minus 5. Root 3 whole square means that is equal to 3. 3 minus 5, that is equal to minus 2. Then if you want you can write this 5 by minus 2, you will get root 3 plus root 5. Then again we can't simplify. This will be the answer. 5 into root 3 plus root 5 by minus 2. The denominator become minus 2 because that root numbers removed. Therefore, already it is rationalized. Is it clear now? Next one, I will show one more question. Rationalize the denominator of the denominator of 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. Then can you say which number we will use to multiply? Here 7 plus 3 root 2. Therefore, we will multiply with 7 minus 3 root 2. Therefore, 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2 into 7 minus 3 root 2 by 7 minus 3 root 2. Then 1 into 7 minus 3 root 2 means 7 minus 3 root 2 by this will be a plus b into a minus b form. Therefore, our answer will be a square minus b square. That is 7 square minus 3 root 2 whole square. Therefore, 7 minus 3 root 2 by 7 square means 49. How we can whole square this? 3 square, that means 9. Root 2 square means 2. Then 9 into 2 means that will be 18. 49 minus 18. Therefore, 7 minus 3 root 2 by 31. Therefore, this will be our, because our denominator becomes now 31. Therefore, it is already rationalized. Therefore, our answer will be 7 minus 3 root 2 by 31. Is it clear now? Next, I am showing some exponents rules that you already studied, but just I am revising that. We already studied in 7th, I think 6th or 7th classes. 8th also we are studying that. I am revising some laws of exponents. Next one is laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Now you already studied that exponents means powers. A raised to m into, dot means into. A raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. For example, if you are writing 3 raised to 7 into 3 raised to 4, that will be 3 raised to 7 plus 4, that is equal to 3 raised to 11. If any fraction coming, then also 1 by 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 2 raised to 4, that is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 9. That will be the first row. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to that powers you want to add. Second one is a raised to m by a raised to n. If it is division coming, then for powers you want to subtract. That is a raised to m minus n if m greater than n. That is dividing. Suppose we are doing 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 4. That will be 3 raised to 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3 cube will be our answer. If division is coming, powers you want to subtract. Next one will be a raised to m all raised to n. That will be a raised to mn. Suppose that we are writing 5 square all cube. Then what you want to do? These two nearest numbers want to multiply. That will be 5 raised to 6. That is a raised to m all raised to n. Then we studied that 1 by a raised to m. How you can write a raised to minus m. In the denominator power you want to come take to the numerator, then it will become negative. Then a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Then a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b all raised to m. Then you already know that if any power, any number raised to the power 0, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. These are the main exponents rules, laws of exponents. Using that, some questions you want to do based on that exponents. I will show you some questions. First one. Two raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. Here, what do you want to do? A raised to m into a raised to n. That will be 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Again, denominator here different. That 15 will be the LCM. Therefore, here you want to multiply with 5. Here you want to multiply with 3. Therefore, 2 raised to 10 by 15 plus 3 by 15. Therefore, our answer will be 2 raised to 13 by 15. Because here different denominators are there. First you want to make that denominator same. LCM will be 15. Then 2 raised to 13 by 5. Then second one, 1 by 3 cube all raised to 7. Thus you can write as 1 raised to 7 by 3 cube all raised to 7. Thus all raised to 7 is for both numerator and the denominator. 1 raised to 7 means you already know that 1 itself. Then thus 3 cube all raised to, I already told that a raised to m all raised to n means a raised to mn. These two you want to multiply. That is 3 raised to 21. If you want to write this to the numerator part, it will become 3 raised to minus 21. Otherwise, you can write 1 by 3 raised to 21. Then, next I am showing find 64 raised to 1 by 2, 32 raised to 1 by 5 and 125 raised to 1 by 3. 3 questions are there. 1, 2, thus will be 3. Its values you want to find out. Then 64. Here 1 by 2 is there. 64 how you can write? 8 square. 8 into 8, 64. 8 square. Then all raised to 1 by 2. This coming means into. That will be 8 raised to 2 into 1 by 2. We can cut this. Therefore our answer will be 8. Then 32. 32 you can write as 32 we are factorizing, you will get 16, 2, you are getting 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. Therefore, 32 you can write as 2 raised to 5, all raised to 1 by 5. That will be 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 5. We can cut this. Therefore, our answer will be 2. Then, 125 all raised to 1 by 3. 125 means 5 into 5 into 5. That will be 5 cube all raised to 1 by 3. Then 5 raised to 3 into 1 by 3. We can cut this 3's. Therefore, our answer will be 5. Then some exercise questions you want to practice. Okay. Today's class over. Thank you.